In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new flow in Microsoft Power Automate. We'll walk through the process from the very first click to a successful test. So by the end you'll know exactly how to get a flow up and running with confidence. Start by opening Microsoft Power Automate and signing in. Once you are in, look to the left-hand navigation pane and choose the option labeled Create. This is your launchpad for building anything in Power Automate. And it's where you decide what kind of flow best matches your scenario. You'll see several choices. An automated cloud flow is triggered by events, like when an email arrives or a file is added to a folder. This is ideal for hands-off automations that react to something happening in your apps. An instant cloud flow runs when you trigger it manually. Such as tapping a button in the mobile app, it's great for on-demand actions you control. A scheduled cloud flow runs on a time-based schedule, perfect for daily summaries, recurring reports, or routine data cleanups. T here is also describe it to design it, which uses AI to draft a flow from a plain language description. It's especially helpful if you are not sure where to start. You can refine what the AI creates later in the designer. Next, give your flow a clear descriptive name, so it's easy to find later, and select your initial trigger. If you are still deciding, you can skip this for now and choose the trigger when you get into the designer. Triggers define when your flow wakes up, so pick the one that aligns with the moment you want your automation to begin. With the flow created, you'll enter the designer. Here, you add actions, connect to services, and set conditions. Use the search box to quickly find connectors like Microsoft 365, SharePoint, OneDrive, Teams, or third-party apps. As you add steps, fill out the required fields carefully and use dynamic content to pass information from one step to the next. Conditions let you branch your logic only take certain actions if specific criteria are met. So your flow behaves intelligently based on the data it receives. When you are satisfied with the setup, click Save. Then select Test to verify everything works the way you expect. You can run a manual test or use recent data where available. Watch the run details to confirm each step succeeded. And review any errors to fine-tune your configuration. A quick iteration or two here can make your automation rock solid. That's it. Thanks for watching.